Barricade Bed Organizer. If your truck bed constantly turns into a rolling pile of tools and gear, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. The Barricade Bed Organizer was created to make cargo transport more organized, more secure, and far less stressful. Constructed from durable aluminum with stainless steel hardware, it is built to handle tough conditions without compromising strength. A powder-coated finish provides a clean, professional appearance while helping resist scratches and wear. The organizer adjusts from 47 to 67 inches, allowing it to fit most standard truck beds with ease. Rubber contact pads keep everything firmly in place while helping protect the truck bed from damage. Heavy-duty military-grade straps and a durable nylon mesh net work together to secure tools, equipment, and loose cargo, preventing unwanted movement during travel. Installation requires no tools and only takes a few minutes, making it easy to install or remove whenever needed. Whether you're heading to a demanding job site or preparing for a long road trip, the Barricade offers a practical way to keep everything organized and secure. Erickson Big Bed Senior Tailgate Extender. Have you ever stood in a parking lot trying to figure out how to fit a 4-meter piece of lumber or a long kayak into a standard truck bed? It is a universal human experience for truck owners. You end up leaving the tailgate down, stacking things awkwardly, and tying down a prayer, hoping nothing slides out onto the highway.
You boys need a big bed.
Since 1977, a company called Erickson has been quietly solving these exact cargo problems in North America. They designed something called the Big Bed Senior Tailgate Extender to fix that specific frustration. This accessory slides right into your standard 2-inch hitch receiver, instantly giving you an extra 4 feet of support behind the vehicle. Instead of dealing with a massive trailer, you get a 38-pound piece of powder-coated steel that handles up to 400 pounds of weight. The technical setup is simple. You can adjust the height in 1-inch increments so it flushes perfectly with your specific truck bed. It is built for rough weather and heavy use without rusting, and it features 3 built-in tie-down points to make securing lumber, ladders, or canoes quick and safe. When the job is finished, the extension arms fold inward and collapse flat so you can store it away neatly. Some people even use it as a makeshift workbench at the job site. Just remember to follow local regulations and use flags or lights for your extended loads. If you have ever wished your truck bed were just a little longer, this completely changes the way you work. Space campers. The traditional camping experience often comes with a frustrating trade-off. You either pack light and sleep on the hard ground, or you tow a bulky, heavy trailer that ruins your vehicle's agility and range. It is an outdoor dilemma that adventuring enthusiasts have dealt with for generations. To solve this, a California startup looked at the futuristic lines of the Cybertruck and created space campers. They developed 2 unique accessories designed to completely change how you live and explore outside. The primary option is the Wedge pop-up camper, which weighs about 470 pounds, though you can drop that to roughly 430 pounds if you remove the truck bed section. Once deployed, it expands vertically to give you up to 8 feet of standing room at the peak and about 6 feet of clearance at the lower end. The interior is fully connected, giving you 4 110-volt outlets, fast-charging USB-C ports, and dimmable LED lights that remember your preferred brightness. To keep you comfortable, specialized foam insulation works to regulate the internal temperature and reduce condensation. Setting it up is effortless because pneumatic actuators tap directly into the truck's onboard air system to lift the tent for you. Inside, a fold-down Murphy bed sleeps 2 people comfortably, and during the daytime, you can easily transform that platform into a functional table or a projector screen. The entire structure incorporates built-in roof steps, lockout bars, and hidden wiring channels to match the vehicle's angular style. If you do not need a full tent, they also offer the cap topper. This sleek shell adds 5 inches of bed height and opens up roughly 40 inches of extra storage space. It is incredibly robust, supporting a dynamic weight of 270 pounds while you drive and up to 650 pounds statically when you park. For owners who want to push past the pavement, this setup offers a fascinating look at the future of overlanding.
We got into this project early to do it right, and obviously we didn't know how long we were going to be waiting on the truck, but it's right around the corner now. Over the past 3 years, we've taken our design back to the drawing board over and over again to build the best camper that we can for the Cybertruck. Thanks for taking the tour of the prototype today. Keep us posted on your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear them.
Load It Automated Boat Loader. Have you ever stood at a boat ramp at the end of a long, exhausting day, wrestling with straps and trying to hoist a heavy hull onto your vehicle? Loading and unloading a boat can easily become one of the most frustrating parts of any trip, especially if you are managing it all on your own. To completely eliminate that shoreline struggle, a specialized system was engineered to take the heavy lifting entirely out of your hands. It is called the Load It Automated Boat Loader. This fully automated setup is built to handle boats measuring up to 16 feet long and 82 inches wide, with a maximum weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. You manage the entire process using a simple wireless remote control, which lets you stand safely at a distance while the machinery does the work. And just for peace of mind, it includes a hardwired backup system so you are never left stranded without a way to operate it. One of the biggest strengths here is how incredibly versatile the design is. The underlying frame can be mounted directly to pickup trucks, SUVs, vans, trailers, motorhomes, and campers. The actual loading process behaves like a controlled overhead crane mechanism, as the boat is lifted up and over the vehicle, for integrated ropes automatically engaged to secure the hull tightly for transport. This mechanical alignment cuts out nearly all of the tedious manual tie-down process you would normally face. When you purchase the system, everything required for a standard installation comes right in the box. Because the engineering is so straightforward, many owners are able to complete the initial setup within a single day. But what truly separates this automatic loader from traditional backbreaking methods is the independence it gives you. A single person can manage the entire launch and recovery process from start to finish without needing a spotter or extra muscle. Whether you are launching an aluminum utility boat, a fiberglass dinghy, or a heavy inflatable, the system continues to work smoothly and reliably even when weather conditions are less than ideal. Ultimately, it offers a much smarter, safer, and entirely easier approach to transporting your watercraft so you can focus on the actual trip. Truck Glide. Climbing into the back of a truck bed just to grab a tool that rolled all the way to the front is a daily frustration for anyone who lives out of their vehicle. You strain your back, get your clothes dirty, and waste time crawling around inside. There is a smarter way to handle your gear without sacrificing your bed space, and it comes in the form of a heavy-duty retractable platform called the Truck Glide. This system makes heavy hauling feel entirely effortless by bringing everything directly to you. It handles up to 1,500 pounds of payload and slides completely out of the truck bed so you never have to climb inside again. Even with that massive weight capacity, it keeps an ultra-low profile that measures just over 5 inches from the frame to the deck. When you are loading or unloading, a spring-loaded handle locks the slides securely at multiple positions to give you rock-solid stability. To keep your cargo exactly where it belongs during transit, it features 10 integrated D-ring tie-downs along the frame. The physical installation is highly flexible too. You can mount it directly to your bare truck bed or place it right on top of an existing vault storage system. Depending on your workflow, you can choose between 2 different widths. There is a nearly full-width version measuring approximately 48 inches wide, and a narrower 24-inch half-width model for more specialized layouts. The full-width platform is built to fit different trucks with lengths ranging from 60 to 92 inches, while the half-width model spans 65 to 80 inches. Both setups deliver that same ultra-slim profile and massive load capability. This is truck bed access completely reimagined, refined, and built for serious work. Vever Water Tank Bladder. If you have ever tried to transport a massive, rigid plastic water tank in the back of your vehicle, you know exactly how frustrating it can be. They are incredibly bulky, they take up your entire truck bed or trailer even when they are completely empty, and half-empty tanks create a dangerous sloshing effect while you drive. Water storage becomes significantly easier when the container actually adapts to your needs and changes shape with the payload. That is the exact problem solved by the Vever Water Tank Bladder. It is a highly flexible, collapsible storage solution designed to turn empty space into a temporary tanker. Built from high-density, weather-resistant PVC, the fabric ranges from 0.7 to 1.2 millimeters in thickness, making it exceptionally resistant to sunlight, punctures, and tears. It even handles extreme temperatures from -30 to +70 degrees Celsius without cracking or melting. The real beauty of this system is how it adapts to a massive variety of environments. Whether you are watering a remote garden, supporting off-grid living, preparing for unexpected emergencies, camping, or keeping livestock troughs filled, it gives you a high-capacity setup without the permanent bulk. It is available in multiple capacities to match your specific vehicle footprint. You can opt for a compact 113-liter or 240-liter size for small SUVs and mid-size truck beds. If you drive a full-size truck, the 330-liter short bed version or the large 540-liter long bed option will maximize your payload. For heavy-duty static farm utility, They even manufacture a massive 1,000-liter model. Managing the system is incredibly practical because the soft PVC naturally conforms to the volume of the liquid, minimizing dangerous sloshing while you are on the move. To keep the heavy weight secure, the bag features 4 reinforced corner D-ring handles so you can strap it down flat before filling it up. Each bladder comes equipped with a 1.5-inch top fill port alongside side discharge spigots and overflow kits, making your water management simple right out of the box. Just keep in mind that because of the industrial PVC and heat-welded seams, this is strictly a non-potable storage system meant for tasks rather than drinking water. When your job is finished, the empty bladder rolls down into a compact package roughly the size of a small sleeping bag. You just rinse it, dry it, fold it, and store it completely out of the way under a seat until the next time you need dependable water storage. It is simple, practical, and highly reliable.